Jai Hind all of you. I welcome all of you here in online study of mathematics. In this video, we will learn how can we write the uh, numbers in figures. Yes, how can we convert the numbers in figures. Although we have done it in our previous video, but in our previous video we have prepared a chart and we have put all the numbers in the chart accordingly. But generally it is observed by me when students need to write the numbers in figures, they got confused. The simple question arises in their mind is whether they have to prepare a chart every time, or is there any simple method to convert the numbers in figures. So here I am going to tell you a simpler way by following which you can save your time without any confusion. So whenever you have to write a number in figures, what you have to understand, observe the highest period given, and here the highest given period is crores. So you have to write your periods, or I can say you have to write your places up to crores. So here is your solution of A part. You have to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores. Read again. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. And you have to go to crores. And how many crores? 1 crore. So 1 can be written as 01. And you will write like this 01. Then you have to put 1001. 1000. This is your thousands place. And we have to put only 1000. So 1 can put as 01. 1000. How can we read it? 1000. Because we have put 0 at 10,000's place. And 1 crore, 1000, 1. 1 can be written as 01. Yes. Now, what we will put in the blank places? We will put 0. Yes, everywhere we will put 0. And what we can do? We can remove our first 0. We can remove, or we can remove our 10 crores place also. So this is your solution of first part. 1 crore, 1001. This is your answer. Move on to B part. Yes, students, not every time you need to draw a chart. Yes, in short, you can do your solution like this. What you have to do? First of all, you will find and you will observe the highest period. In the second part, the highest period is 10 crore. So you have to write the places up to crores. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores. Now read how many 10 crores. We have 10 crores. So 10 can be written as 10. Remember, you will write the digits under the crores period. Okay. We have written 10 crores. Now we have to write 10,000. This is your thousands place. We don't have any digit to put here in lakhs periods. So what we will do here? We will put 0, but later on. First of all, we will write 10,000. So 10,000 will be written under thousands place. So we will write 10 like this. This is your 10,000. Now move on. 10,000, 11. You have to write 11. 11 can be written as 11. Now we will put 0 in the remaining blank places. 0, and here 0. So this number represents your 10 crores, 10,000, 11. This is the solution of your B part. Move on to your C part. And whenever you start writing the numeral form of any number, you have to observe the highest period given. or highest place. The highest place in C part is 13 crore. Yes, this is same as question number B. So I am leaving C part for you. You have to do it in your homework. Move on to D part. 92 lakh 5055. So 92 lakh, the highest place in the D part is lakh. So you have to write your places up to lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. You need not to write crores and 10 crores. So how many lakhs? 92 lakh. So 92 will be written as 9 to 92. But you have to be careful here. 92 will be written under the lakhs periods only. 92 lakh 5,000. How many thousand? 5,000. This is your 1000 period and we have only 5,000. So we will write 05 under the thousands period. 5,055. 55 can be written as 5 and 5. And under the 100 place we will put 0. So this is the answer of your D part. 92 lakhs 5,055. You have to solve E part, and before going to start E part, you have to observe the highest period given in this part, 12,000. So the highest period is 1000. Yes, whenever you have to find the highest period, you will find your highest period at the initial part of your solution. This is here 12,000. So you will write here the places up to thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Yes, no need to write lakhs and crores period. So how many thousand? 12,000. Right here 1 2 12,000. 509. You can write 509. This is your answer of your E part. Write the answer of F part. 8 lakh. 8 lakhs. So you have to write places up to lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. In the F part, how many lakhs we have? 8 lakhs. So 8 can be written as like this. Whether you want to write 0 here, it's your choice. Otherwise, no need to write here 0. 8 will be written under lakhs periods. 8 lakh 8 lakh 8,000. How many thousand? 8,000. So 8 will be written as like this. 8 will be written under thousands place. 8 lakh 8,808. 808. 808 can be written as like this, and you have to put 10 here. So this is the answer of your F part. 8 lakh 8,808. G part. The highest period in this G part is 1000, 4,000. So you have to write places up to thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds and 1000. No need to write 10,000 because the highest period given here is 1000. 4,000. So you will write 4 here. 4,000. 404. 404. This is the answer of your G part. And similarly, you can find the answer of H part yourself. So if you have watched first video of chapter 1 and this video, so you will be able to write the numbers into numeral form according to Indian number system. Keep watching these videos which I am sharing you, because this is a very crucial time for all of you, because you have to face your periodic examination next week. So we have decided that we will revise our previous work so that you can secure good marks. Keep watching these videos, because in the next video we will learn international number system. and how can we put international number system in chart. So keep watching these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.